a stroll in our garden. Along this fence line is herbs, perennials, and flowers. We do plan to sell cut flower arrangements along with our peppers and tomatoes this year. These are our cherry trees. They will be ready in about 3 years. The asparagus here will be ready in a couple years, and the raspberry plants will be ready in a couple of years. We focused on mainly putting in the plants that take about 3 years to produce this year. This open space here, we are getting ready to focus on a fall garden. Here's our wonderful sunflowers. They're loaded with bumblebees. I plan to use these in cut flower arrangements as well, along with saving the seeds. Trevor would like to have this entire fence line facing the church loaded with sunflowers next year. And here's sweet Frances, always following me around. Oh, you're such a good boy. You're such a good boy, Frances. You gonna hang out with me? Boy, that is a pretty tree. This year, we had to amend the soil, put up our deer fencing, all of our other fencing for our plants, our greenhouse, and that left enough time to get these tomatoes going. This entire bed is tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes there. You're a good boy. Getting hot out here. Need to go in. This bed is more of the cut flowers. This is our pepper garden, and we are loaded and been eating lots of peppers already. This is our blueberries. They'll be ready in about a couple more years, even though we've been picking a few this year. Frances loves to hang out. Our pepper garden is looking great. The amaranth and other flowers along the fence line, perennials and herbs, and cut flower arrangements. We soon will be putting up our hoop house so we can get our lettuce and greens going and prep other beds for fall and winter planting. And we just got our canopy so we can start selling soon.